Lecture 8: Adding Interactivity, Filters, Drill Downs, and more. Adding filters and interactive elements turns a static dashboard into a dynamic one. With a single click, users can explore data, compare options, and find answers instantly. Objectives of the lecture. By the end of this lecture, you will be able to understand what interactivity means in dashboards, discover how to utilize filters, drill downs, and other interactive tools in SiSense, gain practical tips to design dashboards that let users find insights themselves. Why interactivity matters. A static dashboard can only show one perspective. Interactivity allows users to slice and adjust data according to their needs. This empowers them to move beyond surface level numbers and discover deeper patterns. Example: a professor using a dashboard might filter grades by semester or drill into results by course to see where students excelled or struggled. Filters. Filters enable users to narrow down data based on categories such as time, location, or product. Instead of building 10 different charts for 10 departments, you can create one chart with a filter that allows you to switch views. Let's say if you want to see the data for specific countries for total order quantity and total price. For that, you will just click in here as filter your dashboard, and you can click on country name. In here, you can select as many countries as you want to see the data for. So you can just, let's assume Austria, and you can just scroll down a bit. France, Germany, Greece, and let's say Ireland, Italy, and United Kingdom, and South Carolina, and Spain as well. So you have selected 9 countries for now. So when you just click in here as apply, now you will see the data for the countries you have selected. So this is how filters work in SiSense. Practical tip: always keep filters visible and clearly labeled, so users know what options are available to them. Drill downs. Drill downs enable users to click on a chart and reveal additional details. Imagine looking at sales by region. Clicking on North America could drill down into individual countries, and clicking again could show specific states. Let's say if you want to drill down every single country on a chart, so you can just click in here, let's assume. And now when you just click in here you can see you have that specific detail for that country in here. But when you just add different countries, let's say add a filter, and you just want to go with Alaska, Arizona, Georgia, Germany, and Ireland, and Kansas, Luxembourg, Maryland, and Michigan as well. Now here you can see these blue dots shows that these are the filters, these specific ones, and it shows the total price or quantity in here like that. It shows total price. So let's say if you want to go with 2 columns, as we have selected 3, so you can delete this one and click on delete. So these are now by order. Now this chart is about total order quantity and country name. You can change that as well, so delete this one and add more in here. Let's say if you want to go with regions, here you have 2 regions in here, as Europe has 27 countries and USA has 49 states. So you can just delete this one. Now total order quantity is like 224 for Europe and 373 for USA. If you want to see this on area chart, in here you can go with this map, area map. Or if you want to change the fields, let's say if you want to delete this one and you want to add region with, you can say price, or you can go with order quantity or unit price, let's assume. So this is unit price for Europe and this is for USA. So you can go with pie chart. So here you can see this is 60% of this whole and this is 40% of that. You can add more fields as well. Let's assume if you want to delete this one and have another field in here as region or country name, let's assume, and you just want to go with the pie chart. So this is the pie chart in here, like Indiana has this one as unit price, this for Sweden, this for Slovenia, and this for UK. and you can go with this one as well, like this one as well, sunburst. And here you can see this is specifically the drill down, as it shows that 1.25k of the total unit price, and it is 0.923% of the whole. The polar chart. So when you just click in here, so you can see that this is for Slovenia. You can apply the filter in here as well. Let's say if you want to go with this one or this one, and click in here to filter your dashboard. Click on country name in here, and let's say if you want to select Alabama, Georgia, and Italy, Louisiana, Michigan, and New York, Ohio, these are all the states, and Poland, Portugal, UK, Texas, and Virginia. So you have selected 12 countries in here. So click on apply. So now you will see the data for these 12 countries that you have selected in here. So this is how filters and drill downs work in SiSense. Pro tip: use drill downs where your audience often asks, can we see more detail here? Other interactive features. Beyond filters and drill downs, SiSense offers features such as clickable dashboards, dynamic highlights, and responsive visual updates. These make the experience more engaging and reduce the need to create multiple dashboards for different audiences. Balancing interactivity. While interactivity is powerful, too many options can overwhelm users. Think carefully about which filters or drill downs will be most useful, and keep the dashboard clean and organized. Interactivity is what transforms dashboards from static images into dynamic tools. With filters and drill downs, you're not just showing data, you're inviting users to ask questions and find their own answers.